closet outside. This isn't a very good angle, but I'm gonna try and work with it.
Here in the Highlands, like the other roads, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw there was Borg. Is that the old Viking farm? Or is that Borgan? That is like this is one, and they were represented on the outing. So and it's easy to drive past here, is it?
Yeah. It is. Yeah. You can easily go here. Yeah. This is the beginning of the famous Fimmvörðuhálshæð, which is the walk up here and all the way here in between the glaciers, and then you end in Thorskvöld. There is also another waterfall in this area, which is hidden, that not many people know of. But to be honest, I'm not quite sure how it is to walk to it right now.
Okay, so finally done with breakfast and we are on our way. So, on to the next bit. Right, so we've just gotten to another waterfall. There's a big one and then there's a mini one as well. It's just stunning. It feels so much busier than Skogafoss. We shall see it. This is what it's called, Seljalandsfoss. This little cute little shop here. Hi Hilda.
Hi.
Hey. Are you getting something from the shop?
Maybe. Haven't decided yet. Probably a little snack.
A little snack.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
The pot is melted over.
Let's get smoked salmon and tuna, or you want to get just smoked salmon?
Are you some kind of movie star or something? No. The pepperoni cheese or the ham cheese?
You want coffee?
Yeah, I want a large coffee. Black, nothing else.
Hey Harold.
Hey.
Are you grabbing a hot chocolate as well?
No.
No?
Oh, you're gonna make them still?
Crazy here, crazy snowy. Woo. Waterfall in the back. And look at the corner of that rock, that mountain. Beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wow. Going up the steps. It's really steep. It doesn't look steep on camera, but it's actually really steep. Extremely powerful. They Harold went to the top. Oh my gosh.
If you come over to the right, we can take it further.
Look at the stairs leading up. Look at them.
Sorry, yeah.
Sliding down. Just for the fun of it. Just for the fun of it. This is the Hidden Waterfall. Everything is just so breathtaking. It's just wonderful. I'm not sure about this path, but we're gonna try it. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to cross this. I'm gonna try. I've not got the right footwear. What?
Come now.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it. These guys are brave. Just got by. Just got by. Thanks, Harold.
No worries.
And then we have to go back. But I think it's gonna be easier when we get back. See the light at the top of the mountain. You made it to the Hidden Waterfall. Can you see it? See the crack in the middle? Going into this little cave. Alright, let's go. Wow, oh my gosh, this is something else. It's like a hideout.
See how the water has dug out? There was probably a crevasse here at some point, but I wonder what it is like in the spring.
Honestly, you can just spend the whole day here just exploring.
Oh, absolutely.
Exploring the area. Is this what you were thinking? You just had to do things the more dangerous way. Or the more adventurous way.
Did you guys go to the Hidden Waterfall? How long does it take to walk over there? 5 minutes maybe?
Not long.
You can see the guy in the yellow jacket? Yeah. Just around the ridge in front of about 5 minutes or so? Yeah. 5 plus. Something like that. Cheers. Thanks.
I think I'm ready to get something to snack on, either a cookie or a donut.
Here.
Soup. And I got one of these as well. Okay, I see you're trying the donuts. What do you think?
Really good.
Really
My
good.
mom makes something similar to this.
Okay.
They look like small donuts, but they
Okay.
taste very much like this.
Yeah, nice.
So we make it for Christmas.
Same. My mom makes something that tastes pretty much
And my
exactly
mum
the
makes
same.
something the same. It's called mandazi. It's a Ugandan thing. Yeah. So.
That's really cool.
So I ordered this soup and it is so tasty. I would definitely recommend it if you come here to this waterfall. Try out the soup from this shop. You won't regret it.
Hello, I'm Alex.
Hey Alex.
How are you? This place is beautiful.
This place is beautiful.
This is Hannah.
I met these lovely people.
I'm Hannah
Hannah and Alex.
Yeah.
from Washington, D.C.
Representing. So we've just made another stop. Look at this. So nice to just have a walk here. It's just wonderful weather. Absolutely wonderful.
This is incredible. You know what? It takes a lot to like gobsmack me. I'm an old mountain guide. I used to be in the outdoors all the time.
Yeah.
But this is beyond belief. I mean,
I'm surprised that coming from a Norwegian, like,
absolutely.
yeah, you know.
Like, this is the southern tip of Iceland.
Okay.
And I'm also very keenly aware that this is where my ancestors used to sail up to.
Yeah.
So seeing where they would have arrived, one of the places where they would have arrived in such a massive scenery and those incredible waves,
Yeah.
is just absolutely fantastic. I'm not so sure that I would like to be in a ship trying to hit the shore right now with those big waves, but hey, I don't know. The shore is good.
Yeah.
Just listen to that roar.
Listen to the wind, listen to the roar.
That is incredible. Spikes are standing right above the ocean because these cliffs are absolutely have got to get some proper whacking from the sea.
Right, so we finally got to the Black Beach. Okay, not to the actual Black Beach, but to a cliff above it. Magnificent. It is so amazing here. Walking up to the top to catch up with Hilda, Harold and Shari.
I climbed up on that.
Tractor. JCB actually. We arrive at the Backsand restaurant. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Black Beach restaurant. Let's go in. About to get some lunch. This is the menu. I think I'm going to get the burger.
That's 7,470.
Can't see me. Okay, so we've just ordered some food and it's coming. Mine is number 31. Harold's has already come. And so is Shari's. And I think mine will be last because I'm number... What number is yours? 32?
32.
Oh, okay then, so maybe it'll be last, yeah. But they're quite quick anyway, so should be okay. Sand. Then you get that famous area with the really choppy rocks. Such a stunning area. Exactly why it smells of fish. Alright, it's literally a fish. Top. Back. These guys are still there. They went to find a cave. They went to the far end of the beach. But I'm just ready to be warm again. Can't see much of me, but you can see much of the snow and the surroundings, which is still good. I'm heading back to the car now. Well, I'm not heading back to the car, but I'm heading back towards the car. These guys are still out there. They went to find a cave or just explore a little deeper, a little further. They went to the far end of the beach. Pretty dark now, so I don't know exactly what they're going to be seeing at this point. Yeah, I was just like, no, I don't want to go towards the tide. I just want to stay where it's safe and where it's, you know, where I won't get wet. I don't want to get wet. You know, I don't have waterproof clothes on. I just have jeans, so yeah. Yeah, there was a dog when I saw those dog bowls on the floor.
But this is the church spot there.
Okay.
Not bad.
Okay, so we've just ordered some food and we're just waiting now. I'm gonna get some soup again. I think Hilda's getting a sandwich. I'm not sure what Shara is getting, but Harold, of course, fish maybe, some meat, lamb chops or something, some steak, and some soup. And yeah, I'll show you what we get when we get it. Not terribly hungry, but I just could eat something for the last night here, and I really enjoyed this soup. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get soup that's as good as this again, so yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, this place is called...
There's the bread with the soup.
Thank you. Bread just came. This is the name of the place, and the soup has just arrived.
Where's my number?
Same thing as yesterday. Actually, not the same thing. A little bit different. And that is Harold's over there with meat in it. So this is Hilda's. It's a grilled cheese sandwich, and it actually came with root vegetables.
It did.
Sweet potato and maybe parsnips. This is what Shari got. A hot dog. I think there's chia seeds or something. I don't know. This is what Harold got. And this is mine.
I don't know what elevator is.
I should just believe that I don't care about it. I don't like stuff.
Yeah. But you can like fruits, like the cantaloupe and then...